Let me show you something, people. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Ooh, nice. See? Nice, people. Oh God. So soft. Francis just called and said he wants some fried dumpling. You want fried dumpling? Gonna make him fried dumpling. I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna do it the easy way. So you know the easy way what I'm talking about. I'm gonna use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I'm gonna use 2 cups of self-raised flour. So when you're gonna do that, it's half and half. That's the easiest way to make fried dumpling. Alright, put it together. Then I'm going to use a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of sugar. It can be granulated sugar. It can be the brown sugar. It's up to you. I'm going to use about half a stick of butter. Okay, people? I'm going to mix in all the dry ingredients. See, I put the flour, the all-purpose flour, and the self-raised flour. Teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar and about half stick of butter. I'm going to mix it in. I'm going to kind of crush my butter. I used to use whole milk and evaporated milk, but I don't have any today, so I'm only going to use the evaporated milk. I put some water on it. You take time and mix your flour. You don't want to get it too tight. So if you're making fried dumpling and you're not sure about the baking powder, you can always use the all-purpose and the self-raised flour, which, as I said, is an easy way to make fried dumpling. Alright, people, I just need a little more liquid. When you're kneading your flour, you take your time and pour the liquid because you don't want to spoil your flour. Okay? So, this is done. I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. And then I come right back and put it in the pot. See? I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. Look, people. See, it's, yeah. Look. Yeah. Stick and stay with me, people. Okay, people. The flour set. So we're going to make our dumplings. See? Flour is set. Mr. Francis wants flat dumpling. What they call it, Johnny cake. So I don't know how him love the Johnny cake. So I'm going to take a little. Then I'm going to make it like this. And then I'm going to flat it out. I'm going to sprinkle some flour. I'm going to put some on my pin. And I'm going to flat it out. Just like that, people. Just like that. Just like that. Let me see if my high hot. And then, see? I'm going to put it in the pot. That's how Mr. Francis like it. you're seeing me, people. You don't want your flame to be too high. Alright, let's make one more. 4 can fit into the pot. Alright people, let's check the pot. Remember, you don't want your fire to be on a high flame. You want it on a medium flame. Because you don't want your dumpling to burn and it's not cooked inside. Look. This is how Mr. Francis like it. Johnny cake style. See? It's not on high flame. Isn't that beautiful, people? Alright. Stick and stay with me, people. Alright, let me take out the first set. Look at this. Nice, eh? And it's so soft. Johnny cake. Alright, I'm going to put in some more and we'll come right back. Okay, people, I put in another set. Look at that. Remember, you don't want them to burn. Flat dumpling or Johnny cake, you people. Look at that. There we go. Okay, look at it so far. Look at them pretty. Yeah, Mr. Francis like with little space in it, so you put whatever inside there. And let me tell you, it smells so nice. Yeah, this is my flat dumpling. Or Johnny cake. That's what some people call it. And you can't take your eyes off them, people, too long. Because it will burn. That's why I keep my flame very low. I keep it on medium. Let me show you something, people. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Ooh, nice. See? Nice, people. Oh God. So soft. You can eat alone. Very simple, people. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups of self-raised flour. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I use my evaporated milk as the liquid. Sometimes I use the whole milk. I didn't have any, so I use evaporated milk. I just pour some water in it and I use it to knead the flour. And half stick of butter. I forgot the butter. When I say it tastes good, it tastes good. Alright, this finished. know it tastes like people cocoa bread. That's the taste it has. Alright. I have 3 more to put in. I'm gonna put it in and then I'll come right back. Okay people, I'm finished. This was a short video on my dumpling or Johnny cake. I am finished. Look at that. Look at them golden. Yeah. And when I tell you it's buttery and nice, oh my God. You want to have a few. It's good. So, I'm going to make some tin mackerel. But that is it from the Francis. Quick tutorial on how to make your fried dumpling or Johnny cake. Quick and easy. If you don't have time and you want to go fast, that's a recipe that you can use. So people, check it out and give me a comment and tell me what you think. That's it from the Francis. Until next time, I'm out for now. This is the tin mackerel. Yep. Tin mackerel and the Johnny cake or dumpling.